Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. I just got done using this palette from BH Cosmetics. The name of this palette is Mimosa, and look how pretty these colors are. Does this name of the palette make you want to drink a mimosa? And if you guys want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned and catch me on the other side.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hello guys, so eyebrows and my face routine, it's done. So today I'm going to do a little review of my BH Cosmetics Mimosa, and I'm also going to do another review with my new brush set, and this is from Morphe and this is from James Charles. So I'm going to do review from both of these. I haven't used this palette yet, and this has beautiful colors. You know that this month is brightness look, so you know I had to get myself this palette just to see how it glides on my eyes. And I'm going to try the Morphe brushes because I had to get my hands on these. I said, you know what, I'm making videos, let me get some nice little brush sets, and I'm going to see how these are glides on my eyes. So let's begin. But I'm looking at all these colors, and the color that is standing out is this yellowish right here and purplish. It's like a lavender color, and maybe we'll put some little champagne color. It's like a champagne, a glittery color. Maybe we'll do that in our eyes. So let's begin with this eye tutorial. Of course, we're going to prime our eyes with Tarte concealer, and I'm going to put that all in my lid because we want those shadows to pop and have that blend. The first color I'm going to place is going to be We Love Brunch, and that's like that little brown color right there. I'm going to use this brush right here, and it's the M441, and I'm going to place it right here. So far the brush, it's easy to apply the product, so I like that. It makes the work super easy, and it doesn't, like, I don't have to blend too much, because my other brushes that I used to have, I used to blend a whole lot, and this is actually gliding the product really well. So I like that with these brushes, and these brushes are super affordable too. It's not too expensive either, so this is really good. So I like that. All right, so now I'm going to use this lavender color, and I'm going to put it in the outer corner of the eye, and I'm going to use the M433, and I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to place it right here on the corner. Look how beautiful is this. This is a beautiful palette, guys. If you haven't put your hands on the Mimosa BH Cosmetics, try it out, guys, because this has beautiful pigment. So I'm going to get the happy hour color, and I'm going to put it right here on top of my brow bone, and I'm going to intensify the color. And then I'm going to soften the color out a little bit, smoke it out a little bit, and bring it out. And I'm going to bring that lavender color, Saluti, I think I'm saying it right, I don't know, and just pack that color and brighten it. Because you know I'm into the bright colors, so I'm not afraid at all to play with this. And then we're going to use that brush with no product, and we're just gonna blend it. Guys, I'm doing easy look, so these are simple and easy for you guys to do, and it's just a pop of color. All right, of course I'm going to use my favorite concealer, and it's the Tarte concealer, and I'm going to cut half of the crease because we want to put that bright yellow on that part that you cut the crease, just to bring out that yellow and make it that pop color. So I'm going to place that right here, and I'm going to look up, and that's where I want to cut. And then I'm going to use my finger. That's the best tool to use, and I'm just going to tap it out so it can just be nice and smooth, so when you put that color in your eyes. So I'm going to use that lavender again and just brighten it up a little bit more, and then use the 441 and just blend it out a little bit, the harsh line. Now I'm going to use 124 and it looks like this, like a flat little brush, and I'm going to get that sunny, that yellow color, and I'm going to place it right in the corner of my eyelid, so right here. Overall, these brushes are taking the product really well, and the Mimosa palette from BH, the pigment is perfect. So if you guys want to buy this, I give you a big thumbs up because it's worth it, and the colors payoff is perfect. Look how gorgeous is that. Like, that's beautiful. So I'm just putting it in the corner eyelid because in the middle I'm going to put that champagne color. I'm going to use this little thing to clean up my brush, and now I'm going to put it in right here in the middle. I'm going to put that champagne color. It's like that little glitter champagne. So I'm gonna place it right here. This champagne is beautiful. Now I'm gonna use that sunny color again, and I'm just gonna brighten it up and blend it with that champagne color. And then grab that 441 and just blend everything out. Then I'm going to get that lavender color, Saluti, and just make the color stand out a little more. Now I'm going to do my wing liner and my falsies, and I'll be right back. All right guys, I am back. Falsies are in. I'm going to do underneath the eyes. So I'm going to place underneath my waterline, I'm going to place Saluti, and I'm going to place it underneath my eyes. And I'm going to use that same brush from the Morphe 433. So I'm gonna put the nice pink color underneath here. So now I'm going to place underneath my waterline, it's going to be my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm gonna place that underneath my waterline. I'm going to place Grande Drama Mascara, and I'm gonna place it underneath my waterline. So I'm going to use 152 brush, and I'm going to use the chilled color, and it's that white color right there, and I'm going to place it right here. Now we're going to do our lips. Since we're using everything BH Cosmetics, so I'm going to use the liquid linen, and it's this color right here. It's a pretty pink color. And then I'm going to throw the iconic lip gloss, and I'm just going to put it in the middle of my lip. Now I'm going to use e.l.f. and this is the Dewy Setting Mist. Give it that fresh effect. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Super easy, fun, festive kind of eye look. Like I said, it's summery. If you guys love this little mini tutorial that I did using the Mimosa BH Cosmetic, Makeup Mondays are here for you. I give it a big thumbs up for the makeup brushes, and I give it a big thumbs up for the BH Cosmetic Mimosa palette. And if you guys like this, please give it a big thumbs up, and please comment, and please subscribe if you like this video, if you guys want to see more of me. But guys, until next time, bye bye.